Upper Bucks County Technical School, UBCTS, has been named a zSpace School of Distinction, and automotive instructor Patrick Krinko has been recognized as a zSpace Educator of Distinction for their innovative use of augmented and virtual reality, AR and VR, technology in career and technical education, CTE. This honor highlights the school's bold initiative to integrate immersive technology into its curriculum, which began in 2020 when Executive Director Dr. Michael Herrera introduced zSpace, AR/VR platform to combat learning loss during the pandemic. Under Dr. Herrera's visionary leadership, UBCTS has successfully harnessed the power of AR/VR to enhance student engagement, workforce readiness, and hands-on learning. Patrick Krinko, a leader in immersive instruction, has transformed the school's automotive lab into an interactive learning environment where students engage with complex systems, gaining valuable visual and hands-on experience that prepares them for real-world diagnostics and decision-making. The school's innovative approach has not only improved curriculum delivery, but also supported recruitment and advocacy. Prospective students can explore programs through 3D simulations, sparking interest and boosting enrollment. UBCTS has become a statewide model for how immersive technology can elevate career readiness, and its success serves as a blueprint for other schools to follow. The recognition of UBCTS and Mr. Krinko underscores the potential of immersive learning to deepen engagement, drive enrollment, and shape the future of CTE. As a leader in hands-on, career-focused education, UBCTS continues to prepare students with the credentials, skills, and real-world experience needed to thrive in high-demand careers. With zSpace, innovative AR/VR solutions, UBCTS is poised to remain at the forefront of education innovation, inspiring other schools to follow its lead. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.